friends, today we will talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of features on the application of Discord. We go to settings. Here on this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about Discord app and we click here. After that, in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again, so please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.